Okay, once you're ready to begin, think of a script that you want to share with your viewer, with your listener. Think of the things that you want to say, and it may take you a couple tries. You may have to record it more than once. Is that okay? Yes. Today we're working on our water cycle project. We've been learning about the water cycle, and then they created a project that was a poster originally, but I've allowed them to expand it. After they created the project, they're doing a Show Me, which is one of the apps on our iPad, and they take a picture of the project they've created and they explain it to someone else. So it would be as if they could show it to a third grader and explain exactly what the water cycle is, exactly how it works, and everything they've learned about it.
The water cycle is where the water goes around and around in a cycle. And
well, we were working on the water cycle project, but we did it on our iPads on an app called Show Me. And so we had to take a picture, and then we would speak into our iPads, and it would record us, and so it's like it kind of goes through the water cycle.
The Show Me app is kind of like a whiteboard meets a presentation. So it can be used as a whiteboard where they just write and then quickly erase, or they can take a picture of anything that they want to take a picture of, and then they can actually write on the screen. So they get to dive a little bit deeper into the water cycle. They learn more about it because they have to put it in their own words, and then they have the opportunity to go and see what their peers have done and learn from each other.
Condensation is when a vapor turns back into water.
Well, I think really working on the project and building it helps you understand what the water cycle is. I like how we get to be creative about it and do whatever we want and whatever we think the water cycle looks like. So that's my favorite part.
I think it helps when you're doing hands-on projects because it kind of goes through your mind more. And the iPads, I like doing them on the iPads better than paper.
I think that you should put those in there. I really like it because it adds just something more than just the water cycle. That's a lot of facts that we've learned about. I really enjoy the technology piece of it, and so when I saw they were excited about it, then I wanted to go with it. I want them to be excited about their learning, and I want them to be invested in their learning. And when they get to use their iPad and they get to explore new things, it's more exciting than learning out of a textbook, or that's hands-on. They get to learn about it, they get to explore it, they get to explain it, they own that. And so I enjoy watching them do that.